You recharge your phone every day, right? But when was the last time you recharged yourself? In this episode, we will identify the signs of emotional exhaustion and learn 3 powerful steps to recharge your inner battery. Welcome to Inner Quest Healing Talks, conversations for stress to bliss. I am your host, Ravindra Murthy. Today, we are talking about an important problem that many working professionals silently suffer, and that is emotional exhaustion. It is not burnout yet, but it's the warning signal before your burnout begins. And in this episode, we will explore how you can start recharging your inner battery and reclaim your lost emotional energy. Have you ever noticed that even after taking good amount of rest, you still feel drained? That's not because of physical tiredness. It's emotional tiredness, both mental and loss of energy. It starts slowly, maybe with small irritations, loss of focus, or even lack of motivation. And over time, your patience wears within, and your creativity fades, and you start feeling lost. Most of us push through this by saying, I just need to finish this task by weekend, I will rest after this project, and whatnot. But emotional exhaustion doesn't wait for the weekend. It builds up silently until you feel like a robot doing things without joy and satisfaction. Here is the truth. When your emotional battery is empty, your performance, relationships, and health all begin to suffer. So, how do you recharge? Let me give you 3 steps to recharge and regenerate yourself. Step number 1. Begin by pausing consciously. Just breathe and allow your body to relax. Do breathe in a rhythm where you inhale for a count of 4 and hold your breath for the next count of 4. Next, you exhale for another count of 4 and hold for the next count of 4. Repeat this cycle for a couple of minutes, and this brings instant stillness in your mind, clearing all unwanted mental chatter. Practice this every day. To make it more peaceful, I use an audio that has 4 beats. For every beat, I inhale, hold, exhale, and hold. So there are 4 beats in this audio. And repeating this for 3 minutes makes my mind clear. My Wahealing community members also use this and have found profound results. You can also use this audio. I have given the link to the MP3 file in the description. Download and store it in your mobile so you can relax whenever you want. I have created this MP3 and it's free to use. Let's look at step number 2. Protect your energy boundaries. Say no to tasks that physically and emotionally drain you unnecessarily. Stop scrolling those reels and shorts. Have a limited time, say 30 minutes or 15 minutes, and not beyond that. Remember, we have limited energy in a day, just like your mobile battery. Spend your day's energy on activities that are absolutely necessary and non-negotiable. Instead of spending binge watching, you can opt to spend quality time with your family, right? Now let's look at step number 3. Reconnect with what nourishes you emotionally. For instance, play some soothing music, walk barefoot in a park for a few minutes to connect with Mother Earth, or have a meaningful conversation with yourself. These activities refill your emotional tank. You can also look yourself in the mirror and say, I love you. It might sound crazy, but by practicing this consistently, you can start seeing a shift in you. Because when you recharge yourself, you show up better at work, at home, and also for yourself. Start taking care of yourself and begin to love yourself. Remember, spending time with yourself is not selfish, it's self-care. Practice these 3 steps and let me know how you feel. If this episode resonates you, share it with someone you truly care. This is your host, Ravindra Murthy. Thank you for joining me today. Take a breath, take it slow, and remember, bliss begins within.